to cure AFV at home. AFV, also called pyrexia, is a natural response by your body to fight off virus and bacteria that cause infection. Harmful bacteria and virus can survive at a regular body temperature, 98.6 OF, but AFV can greatly weaken the germ. En severely limits their ability to reproduce. 1, 2, 3. AFV also help burn away toxins and stimulate immune system. Since AFV is the body preferred method for healing itself, it should only be cured when the body become too weak to handle infection, when the AFV is too weak for the body to handle, or when it make you extremely uncomfortable. While you can easily handle most AFV at home, you should call 911 immediately if you also have severe dehydration with blue lip, tongue, or nail, severe dash, hallucination or difficulty walking, difficulty breathing. Or seizure, 4, 5. Making adjustment to your home environment. Drink lots of water. 1 to drink at least 2 ounces of water every 2 hours. Your body can quickly lose moisture. Get dehydrated by sweating or sneezing caused by illness, such as cold and flu, that are often associated with AFV. Dehydration can cause your temperature to rise and often lead to headache, dizziness, muscle cramp, low blood pressure. En seizure, 6. 2 liters of water each day. Recommendation for average adult. 7. Caffeinated beverage in moderation are generally fine, but make sure they are not your only source of fluid. Get most of your day fluid from pure water. 8. Sport drink are acceptable liquid for hydration, but use carefully. While the drink do provide electrolyte, it usually far more concentrated than necessary. Try diluting on par water to on par sport drink, or on a glass of water for every glass of sport drink. Rehydration solution. You do not need an commercial drink to help hydrate make your own. For your own children, consider a commercial electrolyte hydration solution, such as Pedialyte, for your own children, since the proportion have been specifically designed for children body. 9. To rehydrate children, offer at least 1 ounce per hour for enfants, 2 ounces per hour for toddlers, and 3 ounces per hour for older children. 10. Wear comfortable clothing. Wear loose, comfortable clothes when you have AFV to help your body relax and improve air circulation to help you stay cool. Remove excess clothing or blanket that can try to make AFV last longer. 3. On a layer of lightweight clothing, on a lightweight blanket or sheet for sleep. 11. Natural fiber, such as coton, bamboo, or silk, often breathed better made fiber like acrylic or polyester. Low at room temperature. High temperature can make AFV last longer and cause excessive sweating that can lead to dehydration. The room temperature should be 73-77 F. 12. If the room is hot or stuffy, a fan may help. Get plenty of rest. Getting enough rest help your body fast by strengthening its immune system. Avoid moving around too much. Take some time off work to get even more sleep than you usually do if possible. Study show that sleep deprivation can weaken immune system, increase the production of stress hormone, puis you are high risk for chronic disease, and low life expectancy. For more information on how to create a better sleep schedule, check out how to sleep better. Take AFV reducing medication. If the AFV is very high causing you serious discomfort, you can take AFV reducing medication. Several medicine target AFV, acetaminophen, ibuprofène, and aspirin, for instance. Take these over the counter medication at the label suggest to help bring down your AFV. Check the dosing carefully. Take the smallest dose possible to relieve your AFV. Children under 18 should not take aspirin unless specifically recommended by a doctor. It is associated with Développement of Rey syndrome, Addis Tacost brun enlivé tout souel, 13. Tak avarm choé. Avarm choé orbat talast for 5-10 minutes quand help stimulate souhaita keeps your body cool. Sous sort muscle, en de congeste sinus tamab blocked du tout à cold, 14, mac sur te water in haute tout. Avoir d'un cring your corps température, wish ma cause te feve tout last longé, 15. Keeping your body clean quand also el produce te risk of furté viral or bacterial infection. Sponge donne. If batting facility arno available, ordeno sunt appelling, usamoast toel instead. So axmal. Toel in luke warm water and aptemon your forehead or un de your arin. Ti stimulate souhaita help keep your body cool, improve blood circulation en camp reduce nasal congestion caused by a cold or flu, 16. Using cold water, en ice pack, or taking a cold shoe quand induce shiver, wish quand increase te core body temperature. Making te feve last longé, 17. Dono appli varm toel tout en injury or inflammé de skin, height quand cause bleeding en furté inflammation. Keep your nose clear. If your feve caused by a cold or flu, important to keep your nose clear to breathe comfortably. Difficu breathing quand increase your feve. Dono blow your nose to air, at pressure quand give you en. RH on top of the cold. Be sure to blow gently only often and necessary, 18. Expert recommend a you blow be holding a finger over on nostril and gently blowing tote into a tissue, 19, if your child or infant a cold, help them blow their nose correctly. Wash your hands at time you blow your nose to avoid chance of infection by bacteria or virus. Stay indoor. Unless you're already outdoor when your feve common, it best to cure lup en rest indoor or hurt. Air dry en temperature ou on change much. If you must boot door while suffering from your feve, stay in. Shadow limi activity, 20. Avoid smoking. In addition to trees coughing cancer en haute respiratory disease, smoking also suppress the body immune system, 21, smoking to require the body to fight hard against virus and bacteria, which increase the body temperature. It best to avoid exposure to cigarette smoke, nicotine, en haute tobacco product until your feve reduced. Children, especially infants, should not be exposed to second-hand smoke, especially while they have a feve. Reduce caffeine attack. Too much caffeine can be bad for you when you have a feve. Caffeine overdose can cause fever. IDH, insomnia, diarrhea, irritability, and dizziness. Caffeine also stimulate water excretion en excessive intake. Can lead to dehydration, 22, when you have a feve, try to avoid caffeine or lower your intake to 100 mg. Un cup of red coffee contient 133 mg of caffeine, en un cup of black contient 53 mg of caffeine. Avoid sugary soda. Abel en ergi en sport drink at the can cause nausea en vomiting during a feve. Several cases of caffeine overdose can cause nausea, vomiting, chest pain, hallucination, difficulty breathing, en convulsion, 23. Don't use caffeine supplement until you recover from the feve. Children en enfants should generally avoid taking caffeine. Avoid alcohol. You should abstain from drinking alcohol, wet it beer, wine, or not drink when you have a feve. Regardless of severity. Alcohol weakens immune system, making it hard for your body to recover quickly, 24. Don't use rubbing alcohol. Applying rubbing alcohol on your skin make your skin feel cold. Ove, it a very temporary sensation. Tickling effect de no help when you have a feve it can cause shivering, which raise your core body temperature, 25. In addition, the skin can so accup alcohol. For small children, en enfants in particular, the pro can increase the risk of alcohol poisoning, 26. Visit your doctor to you contrary manifevera home, there are specific situations in which you should lift. Car toute professionnelle. If you have a FV between 100-305 F ta 2 et 1 comme donne 8 ans au vet cointé médication, sucha ibuprofène. Aspirin, 27, aura FV off en I température ta lastove se ventit wour, then you should see your doctor immediately. Authoriazon tous a doctor immediately when you have a FV include, 28, 29. Children under 3 month 8 ans IFV. Children under 2 8 à IFV, aura FV ta last mort en 48 tours. You've recently traveled, had a surgery or vaccine, or comato contact with non-allergen or hazardous substance. You have a disease such as diabetes, anemia, cystic fibrosis, or an or lung disease. You experience mild to moderate fever frequently. And your short bruise apparent your skin with to an non cause. You experience painful urination. Differentiate between FV en haute et activity tares body temperature. Physical activity, mode swing, hormonal. Change, irregular or heavy eating, tight or heavy clothing, médication, en exposure to high temperature quand also. Increase your body temperature. If you suspect you have heat stroke, you should call 911 en SEC medical car. Immediately, heat quand les to césure en ear attack. A raise temperature quand occur with heat stroke, but condition must be treated differently. If you think heat stroke might be actual problem, then you can find more information how to treat heat stroke. Determine if your child should see your pediatrician. You may want to talk to your doctor for children with low fever than you will for an adult. Allez consul la pédiatricien before giving a child la médication for a FV. You should additionally seek medical care for your child if the child, 30, 31. You en jetant 3 menthol dans a rectal température of 100.4 degrés F, 38 degrés C, Aurier. I3 12 menthol dans a FV of 102.2 degrés F, 39 degrés C, Aurier. Ion DH2 ans à FV talast longetant 48 tours. Inoaler, cano beawakneesili, a adfever comme en go for up to AVI cormor, even if they are no very. Igorif FV symptômes comme back aftete had gone away. De no mac when crying or cano be calmed on when crying. De no have wet diaper or ano urinated in the past 8 tours. Aote symptômes ta suggestant illness manei to be treated, sucha a sortra, RH, diarrhea, nausea or vomiting, or acug. Warning. If your FV exceed 104 OF, 40 OC, seek medical attention. Do no exercise if you are suffering from a FV. In general, FV are no dangereux and do no cause brain damage, une leste FVI étant 106 OF, 41 OC.